Have you ever wondered how Kenya's wealthiest individuals invest their money? These are individuals with net assets worth above $1 million, and this is equivalent to about 129 million Kenya shillings. And they're also known as dollar millionaires. But what exactly do they do with this money? According to the World Report, that is the Kenya 2025 edition, these individuals follow deliberate methods to grow their wealth, and here is a breakdown of where their money goes. First, we have real estate, which makes up to 39% of the total portfolio. Real estate remains to be the largest investment portfolio, with 4 Kenya shillings out of every 10 Kenya shillings of a wealthy individual's net worth placed in real estate. So, where in real estate do they invest? First, many own multiple homes. First, we have for lifestyle, with many owning holiday homes in places like Malindi, Naivasha, and Nanyuki. Also as rental income in Nairobi upmarket areas including Karen, Kileleshwa, and Runda. Then we have commercial real estate, with many owning office spaces, retail spaces, and warehouses in industrial parks. Then we have land banking, where many buy and develop land in the city outskirts in anticipation of infrastructure-led appreciation. The main reason many invest in real estate is because in Kenya it has been seen as one of the investments that hedge against inflation, is a symbol of status, and a means of intergenerational wealth transfer. The second place that dollar millionaires invest their money in is in offshore assets. 22% of their wealth is held outside Kenya. They invest in offshore real estate, including apartments in places like Dubai, London, or holiday homes in Mauritius. They also have offshore bank accounts, especially in Switzerland, UAE, UK, and the Isle of Man for wealth protection. They also have international funds and trusts, which are used for estate planning, tax efficiency, and protection from political risk. So, why offshore assets? Offshore diversification helps shield wealth from local currency fluctuations, economical downturns, and policy shifts. Kenya's wealthy are also increasingly investing in equities. This is in both local and international stocks, and locally they prefer blue chip companies, while offshore many are opening trading accounts in the US and the UK, buying into tech giants and high performing ETFs. Younger wealthy individuals are showing interest in ESG focused portfolios and crypto related equities. So, why equities? Equities offer long-term growth potential and diversification. Kenyan wealthy individuals also invest in cash and fixed income investments, which make up for 16% of their portfolio. Cash and deposits make 10% of these, and the currency is mostly held locally and in foreign banks, especially in USD and in the Great British Pounds. Government bonds and T-bills make 6% of their wealth. For most, this is a safety layer, which is mostly important when preparing for bigger investments and in times of market uncertainty. The next investment is in private business. These make up for 15% of their wealth. Many dollar millionaires are either business owners or invest in private businesses through angel investing and private equity funds. The businesses can include family-owned enterprises, which are businesses that can range from real estate, logistics companies, and agribusiness ventures. They also back startups. This is mostly in Nairobi's driving tech ecosystem, especially fintechs, health tech, and e-commerce startups. So this category offers a chance to actively grow wealth, influence strategy, and achieve above market returns. Lastly, the wealthy are investing in luxury assets. This is niche, but there is growing interest in alternatives such as we have art and collectibles. Kenya and Pan-African art is gaining value and prestige. Then we have classic cars and vintage wines. And lastly, luxury watches and jewelry. These are seen as long-term stores of value, especially when global markets become turbulent. Manishu55.co.ke has written about this and more on the Wealth Report. Click on the link on our bio to learn.